Can you guys, anyone tell me what is cut, copy, paste? Very known thing it is actually. What happens in cut? Cut is for cutting up the data, and copy is for copy the data. Paste is for paste the data, right? But actually, in this cut, copy, paste also, we are very known thing is like just select it, go with the cut option, and select the location and go with the paste option. Exactly right. And we want to paste it again with the copy, select, go with the copy and paste. This is how that we go in a general terms. But actually, I want to paste the data in different terms or copy the data by something other things. In general, what we do is like cut, copy, paste is simple format. But when I want my data, so here you guys able to see the data and you want to paste this data into some other things. So when you want to paste this, so you have multiple options in your paste options, right? I think you guys know how a paste option goes with. But actually, many people are not known that we have many options in paste and how to use them. Okay, so in copy also we have a general term like copy, and we also have the other format as copy as picture. Okay, for example, let me go with, I have selected the data, now I'll go with a copy as picture as shown in a screen, or you want as a printed. So we are okay with whatever we have in the screen. Okay, so now let's say okay, and then select the location and go with a paste. So see here, it is a normal set of a paste data, but here you are able to see a picture. So how sure, see here, you have a landing points. Decrease it, increase it. So can we do here on the same thing? No, but here you can. I can move wherever I want it. Okay, and not only that, I can, once I select, when I'm clicking on the Excel sheet, you are able to see the last option that I had is like AI aided formula editor. And when I click on this, you are able to see picture format. When I have this a picture, you can go with picture format. And you can give some colors, effects as a same as a picture that you can frame it out. You can give a good border sets. And you can select, for example, I'll take this, and you can give a good set of alignment effects, everything like that. Okay, so let's come back to the home tab again. Okay, right, and now let's even also see the paste options, a few little at least. Okay, so when I click on here, you're able to see paste special option. So you are able to see only one paste option. Okay, but why is this happening? Because you didn't select any data. You didn't even go for a cut option, either the copy option. So when I select this data, you are able to see copy. Once after copying, only see here how many set of paste options are here. Okay, and now after selecting this, now here we have formulas with number formatting, keep source formatting. So in formula, you will be able to see the formula, and in here you will also go with the formatting. So it is general actually. So what I will do is like select the location and go for paste format. So see here, actually here it is very good aligned, right? But here you are not able to see any alignment. It is only just according to the set of the data, but the rows are not similar. And now again go with something other is no border. So see here I have given every border to my row and column, but here you are not able to see, and no alignment has been set it. So without the border, if you want the data to be pasted somewhere else, you can go with this. Okay. So you have different things here. here we have the data for keep source column width. So however you paste copy the data, the same pattern you can paste it. So with the column width, according to the column width, and it is not given with the rows exactly. So you are able to see column width. And if I want on the same here, so here see it, how do we have the data here? The columns and the row, right? And in the columns, you have your data in a vertical format. Okay, we are able to see this vertical. But when I want to take my data into a horizontal format, so what do we do in general format to paste that? So the thing that we do is like we'll copy the word place, we'll paste it. And the next again, year, copy it, paste the word year. Again, we go with a month, copy it, and go with paste, right? This is a general term that we go across. But actually, the best term that you guys can do is like paste transpose. So when you go for paste transpose, what happens is like, okay, I have selected this. So I'll select the data, copy it, paste as transpose. Now see, the vertical format of a data has been converted to a column data. Okay, so you can convert to whatever the format that you have required, right? And the next, you also can go with paste values. Okay, so I'll show the difference actually, the values how. So for here, what I'll do is like we want a calculation of this total. So when we want a total calculation, what is the formula for total, guys? Do anyone can formula for total? Yeah, Vinay, you can count. I don't want to make a count of each 1, 2, 3, but I want to total the value inside it, some value. So some calculation is there now. So that. So what is the sum calculation formula exactly is like for total doing it? Anyone? Total for sum. Okay, no issues. We can go by is equals to sum. Okay, bracket open and select all the cells that you wanted and then bracket close and enter. So automatically you'll get the data accordingly. Right. So here, let me go with the Excel. And what do we do is like is equals to sum. Press the tab, so automatically the cell, the formula that you are going across with can be added automatically to the specific cell. Now what do we do is like select all the values and now bracket close and enter. So automatically you'll get it. But there is a good shortcut key because instead of doing all this, the best way you are able to identify it is 18,168, right? Remember this. The best form shortcut that we can go with is Alt is equals to. Just press Alt and is equals to on the same time and just enter. So automatically the formula will reflect on your sheet. Okay. So the same formula when I did with a sum calculation or with the Alt calculation, you'll be getting this same format. That's great. And let's go with format. So now I'll select with the formula and go with the copy. And I'll show you now paste values as value. So you're able to see the value. Here it is. Okay. So I'll align good. Okay. Now, what is the difference for paste values and here? See here, there's a good coloring with a yellow and text font and the alignment is good. But here we don't have any color format, no border, nothing. You are able to see it. It's just when you're adding up your data to your Excel sheet. See, it is same like that, right? And you're able to see here, when I click on here, it is able to show us the sum formula here, right? Because the formula will reflect only in the formula bar. So you want the formula to see here instead of the formula bar. So it's very simple. Just double click on it. Okay. Right, guys. And now you are able to see the formula here. So when we select here, so it is a formula given, right? As I copy the same thing, you will be pasted the same thing. But here you are not able to see the paste options here. Instead of that, in the paste, you have taken paste as normal values. So only value will reflect and not the formula. So when you guys are doing with some data and you are dealing with that, and when you want to share someone, but when you are sharing, you don't want to reflect your formula. So at that time, what you guys can do is like paste as values can be helpful for you. Right. And the next thing that you have is like paste your data, select your data, copy it, and go for paste as okay. So here you will be giving with the number and the format, and here you will be giving as both. But actually, even with the formatting that you had, but the total will not reflect there. Similarly, it will be there. And you guys can also go with paste options, that is paste by only the format. So here you're not able to get the text pattern. What are the text that you have taken, either the text or the numerical values, you're not able to see, only the format. When you want to add the same format for some other tables, so it is the best way that you can add a formatting. And here you have something like link. So this link, when I click on this link, you are able to, when I click on here place, it is showing in the formula bar saying like is equals to A1. So A1 is nothing but where I have taken the cell. A1 is a place value, right? The same thing that will reflect here also for you. So Hyderabad, A4, cell number, which is linked from where did you copy it to the pasting option. So this is how you can take it. And you guys want paste as picture, as I have already shown you, by copy. It is to copy, and here you're pasting a normal text. See here, before going to that. So here I'm selecting my data as a normal set of a data. It's with row and column with a good thing, right? So when you're selecting the data, I'm just copying this in a normal pattern only, but I want to paste it as a picture. So what's happening here? You're taking a data which is in general with a row and column, and you're pasting in picture. So you're converting something like here. Okay. And you can take as a picture, and you can remove, rotate here, whatever you wanted, you can. And you can highlight with color patterns also here. So you can apply all the sets of things. Okay, so in general, copy paste is also having a lot of things in the paste options, right? So it's not only this, we have many more options for cut, copy, and paste. In paste option, we have many more. So we'll go for copy and go with paste special options. How does this works on? So here, see, all formulas, values, format, comment, validation. So we have many things that is in advanced options that we are not aware of in regular life. We are not. So for that thing, you are having a best source that can learn with advanced Excel, because advanced Excel teaches you how to maximize the maximized data to a minimized, and to summarize that data. Okay, so whatever I have shown I have showed you very small things actually, that is cut, copy, paste, and okay.